Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Pledge of loyalty. We, the 2010 graduates of Pasak Elementary School, having received our certificates of graduation, do hereby pledge to do our best for the glory of the school, to the fullest satisfaction of our parents and teachers, and for the improvement and welfare of the community. Behind this pledge is our never-ending love, appreciation, and loyalty to our alma mater, the Pasak Elementary School. So help us God.
We have now